if your dreams are spooky but you love furry friends, this story is just for you. Every night, 8-year-old Dylan had nightmares. But instead of hiding under the covers, he sneaked out to pet Max, the neighbor's dog, through the fence. Max's warm, fluffy fur was like a magic spell, chasing away his fears. One evening, Mr. Johnson, the neighbor, saw Dylan and Max together. He smiled, understanding the special bond they shared. The next day, there was a knock at Dylan's door. Mr. Johnson stood there with Max, a big red bow around his neck. "Max seems to like it here," he said. "Would you like to keep him?" Dylan's eyes sparkled with joy. From then on, Dylan's nightmares were gone. He had Max, his midnight bark buddy, to protect him, and they both lived happily ever after.